And the best part about Zero is, मेरे लिए for me being an artist, हमको Zero की इतना पसंद है because the Zero was never for extravagant commercial Bollywood artists. This was always for us. This was always for us. This was for Pratik Mohan in 2017 when he hardly had only 45-50 audiences out there. जब कोई जाता नहीं था. So yeah, I see comments वहाँ बोल रहे कि यार ये साल का लाइनअप क्यों इतना बेकार है यार, क्यों because I don't want to make them listen to my songs because they're not here for मतलब वो लोग यहाँ म्यूजिक के लिए नहीं है. They're here for those commercial sound, those commercial music जो ट्रेंड पे है उसी को सुनना चाहता हूँ. So I think the best part about Zero is this was always about us. You guys इतना दूर से आया, finding us as an artist. अभी घर जाएगा वो आर्टिस्ट कौन था यार? 25 सितंबर फर्स्ट डे हेडलाइनिंग किया था रात को. हाँ, एक अरुणाचल के आर्टिस्ट हुआ यार. I want to know this artist more. You guys will search us. So yeah, and I'm very thankful for Zero. And Dora, it's a very emotional thing for us also. क्योंकि हम लोगों को बहुत rarely, आप लोग जैसा audience देखने को मिलता है. So yeah, I'm very happy. Again, this message should always go to the people out there. और अगर आप लोग भी जाता है वापस, so take a stand for us, take a stand for Zero. Tell them it was never about these people. It was never about the commercial artists out there. It was always for the independent artists, underground. It was always for the music. And yes, ज़्यादा बसन नहीं देते हुए, we'll just start with the next song. I'm not sure this is gonna happen. ठीक है, you guys ready? You guys ready? One more time, you guys ready? Itu now this one's the last one. Botanya kuha, itu yeah. Then